5 fast-growing vegetables you can harvest in 1 month. If you want to buy a gardening tool and seed chip price, click on the link in the description. Number 1. Spinach. Sowing to harvest, 30 days. The smooth, delicious leaves of spinach are extraordinarily versatile. Use them in salads of mixed greens, as a critical ingredient to quiches and flans, or blended into risottos or pasta dishes. Get it going once every month to appreciate until the main ices. Sow into lines about a foot, 30 centimeters, separated. Set the seeds an inch, 2.5 centimeters, separated, then thin the resulting seedlings to generally 8 inches, 20 centimeters, separated. Plants can rapidly dot in a sweltering climate, which makes the leaves turn harsh. Forestall this by sowing in light shade during the warmth of summer and by continually keeping the ground moist. Number 2. Salad leaves. Sowing to harvest, 21 days. Ever flexible plates of mixed greens present an orchestra of leaf shapes, surfaces, and tastes ideal for livening up eating times. Develop individual assortments or make your own plate of mixed greens mix by mixing at least 2 assortments together prior to sowing. Reasonable plates of mixed greens include lettuce, mustards, and other oriental leaves, kale, and arugula. Number 3. Radishes. Sowing to harvest, 25 days. Radishes are one of the fastest vegetables, taking only 3 to about a month to arrive at harvest time. They're additionally extraordinarily simple to develop. Seeds can be planted into arranged ground or pots of potting soil. Plant the stout seeds thinly, spacing them around 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters, separated. Sowing little clusters at regular intervals until the finish of summer will give you a continuous harvest of peppery roots. Number 4. Bush beans. Sowing to harvest, 60 days. The speediest case in town, shrubbery beans, can be planted following a past yield to give a quick picking before the finish of the flow growing season. Taking only 2 months from sowing to unit creation, these difficulty-free beans are an unquestionable requirement, and kids love them. In summer the beans can be planted straightforwardly into the ground or into pots of potting soil. Stick the seeds into the soil so they are 10 to 16 inches, 25 to 40 centimeters, separated. Sow a cluster once per month until the finish of summer. The short, rugged plants will before long come into flower. Number 5. Carrots. Sowing to harvest, 50 days. Carrots are not the clearest rapid vegetable, but rather pick a fast-growing finger-sized assortment and you can anticipate sweet, crunchy establishes in only a month and a half. Sow into pots of potting soil, spreading the seed thinly over the surface. Then, at that point cover with a thin sieved layer of potting soil. Or on the other hand plant the seed into drills separated about 6 inches, 15 centimeters, separated, cover back finished, and water.